In every city there's a heartbeat, and in Buffalo, it echoes through our history. It's in the voices that built our neighborhoods, the hands that shaped our skyline, and the stories that connect us across generations. At the Buffalo History Museum, the past isn't just remembered, it's alive. Every exhibit, every photograph, every voice invites you to see Buffalo in a new light. From our earliest beginnings to the movements shaping today, you'll find the courage, creativity, and community that define who we are. Because history isn't something we look back on, it's something we belong to. So come explore, get inspired, and see yourself in the story of Buffalo. The Buffalo History Museum, where our past inspires what comes next.